What signs indicate my HVAC system is nearing the end of its life? The clearest signs are frequent repairs, rising energy bills, uneven temperatures, unusual noises, poor airflow, and an aging system. An air conditioner or furnace often shows several warning signs before it stops working completely. If your system needs repairs again and again, especially when each repair costs a large part of a replacement, it may be nearing the end of its useful life. Higher energy bills can also mean the equipment is working harder because its parts are worn or dirty. Rooms that feel too hot or too cold may point to weak airflow, failing controls, duct problems, or a system that is too old to meet your home's needs. Watch for grinding, rattling, squealing, banging, or repeated clicking, because these sounds can signal loose or damaged parts. Strange smells, frequent short cycles, or long running times are also important warnings. Many central air conditioners last about 10 to 15 years, while furnaces often last about 15 to 20 years, but maintenance and local weather can change those time spans. One lesser-known clue is rust, water around the equipment, or a damaged heat exchanger, since these problems can affect safety and indoor air quality. Write down repair dates, energy costs, and unusual behavior, then ask a qualified technician for a repair versus replacement comparison. A common mistake is waiting until the system completely fails, so schedule an inspection when warning signs appear and avoid emergency costs. Another mistake is blaming the equipment for every comfort problem, because blocked filters, closed vents, poor insulation, or leaky ducts may be the real cause. Check the filter and vents first. Some homeowners also replace only the outdoor unit without checking whether the indoor unit and controls match it, which can reduce efficiency. Ask for a properly matched system and a written estimate. Never ignore a gas smell, burning odor, carbon monoxide alarm, or a cracked heat exchanger. Leave the area if needed and contact emergency services or a qualified professional. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.